Alright, so I'm Milo,
And I'm Diego.
and today we will be talking about why affordable housing is important. So, why don't you start us off, Diego?
Well, plenty of people are spending ludicrous amounts of money on housing. Like, there are people that are spending that even if they spent 100% of their salaries, they still couldn't get decent housing for an affordable price. So imagine if you were to spend all of your money on a house, and then
you couldn't afford like food or
water or anything,
And-
and the house wasn't even particularly good. It was just decent.
so
This
that-
is what many people are going through.
So that's where affordable housing comes in, where they give you a good enough home that isn't super expensive and doesn't have a lot of like extra stuff, but it is still really good for an affordable price that you can afford and still pay your bills
Taxes.
and your taxes and like get food and water and stuff like that. So that is why affordable housing is important. Right. This is the bird's eye view of our affordable housing units.
Yes, well, it does look pretty. It's actually a pretty interesting house. As you can see here, this is what it looks like, kind of like a wine glass design with like a hole in the middle. It's pretty. We think it's pretty creative.
And we decided to have three like big units here with some greenery.
Yeah, because it looks nice.
Yeah. Alright, so this is actually a more detailed version
Yeah, as you can see.
of what the housing unit
Yeah,
looks
so
like.
basically what there's a donut shop right here.
In the middle of, since it's like
Yeah.
a kind of like a wine glass
Yeah,
kind of
with
look.
a donut sort of on top.
So basically how it works is that the bottom floors, they're all filled with like doors. Those are separate, those are like a set of apartments that you can use. And then you go a floor up through the
void.
And here are the other units, just with like
Sort of circling
yeah.
around, and with easy roof access to the donut shop.
Yep. This is our floor plan. As you can see, so we have the bedroom, living room, bathroom, kitchen, dining area, and a closet. So the bedroom, the area is 144 feet, and we used carpeting in that, so that the total cost of that was $221.
And for the living room, the area was 216 feet. We also used carpeting, which cost $2.50 per square foot. So the total cost was $540.
For the bathroom, the area was 60 feet, and we used tile, which was $3.25 per feet squared, which equals $195.
For the kitchen, which is 160 square feet, we used tile, again, which costs $3.25 per unit. So the total cost of the kitchen was $520.
And for the dining area, 120 feet. For the area, we used wood, which was $450 per square feet, and that equaled $540.
And for the closets, which were 12 square feet for the closet, we used wood again, which ended up costing $54.
And in total, all of that added up was $2,070. Here's our
Final project.
model
It's a bit janky, but
of the floor of the plan.
the floor plan took a long time to build it.
And these are a bit jagged.
Yeah, but it's not easy to build. But you know what? That's fine.
So here's the workshop. As you can see right here, like we pointed out earlier, and then the bathroom, the bedroom, the living room, the kitchen, and dining room. They aren't perfect, as you can see, but
it looks good.
It was just kind of hard.
A lot of very important things about this.
Like why affordable housing is important.
How to do a lot of math, and really it was just a lot of work, but it was fun.
And we learned that how to like draw like a floor plan and other stuff like that.
Yeah, but this video took us a lot of work, but it was a lot of fun work, and we did genuinely enjoy doing it. Am I speaking for both?
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, so thank you very much for watching.